I don't know about you guys, but I can never get my planters to look very good.
So before you plant your containers this summer, we have an easy recipe that you can follow at home. We have 2 layered containers on each side of Stephanie's entryway. So our easy recipe is thriller, filler, spiller. So your thriller is what's going to be in the center or in the back of the container. It's going to give you some height. Your filler is going to fill out the center of the container. I love to mix different plants as well. I have a Kim Queen fern here for that wonderful green leafy texture and foliage, and a strapleaf caladium, which can take a little bit more sun. I'm gonna pair those with the blooming angelonia here in the center. And then for your spiller, this is Lismachia, or creeping Jenny. So this is just a beautiful spiller. It has that beautiful chartreuse foliage. Pro tip, this hanging basket has multiple plants inside of it. So I'm actually going to break it apart and use it in our 2 entryway containers. So thriller, filler, spiller. In the Mackenzie Child's pot, this is the thriller. When I plant it, I'm gonna leave it a little bit higher because I'm gonna be planting plants around it. So I'm gonna place it in the container and then we'll get all of our other plants in there. We'll kind of fluff them out and move them around. So when planting your filler, one thing that you wanna make sure to do, angle your plant a little bit. Angling your plant makes it come out so you can really see the whole thing, and it gives it some height and texture and really makes that thriller be the main show. We'll go ahead and plant the Kimberly Queen fern. We'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll kind of scrunch that bottom of that plant just a little bit to fit it in the little planting space that we have. And those are our fillers. This Creeping Jenny is going to be our spiller. It's going to cascade down the front of the container. So there's multiple plants here inside of this hanging basket. I'm gonna pour it out and I'm just going to start to rip off pieces that I'm going to use in the front and a little bit in the back of the container. Our container is a little bit smaller, so we won't be able to fit this all the way around, but that's okay. We're gonna break off a piece and we're gonna have it cascading in the front, and then we're gonna put some around the back just to finish it off as well. Don't worry about hurting it, you won't. This is a really resilient plant. All right, so here is half. I'm going to separate all the shorter pieces and I'm gonna use that in the back of the container and then the longer pieces in the front. We don't have a lot of room in the container, so we're gonna break off some of the roots on the bottom. We're gonna pull up the caladiums a little bit so we have just enough room to stick that Lismachia in the front. Since this container right here is a little bit smaller and there's less planting space, we're going to go ahead and skip the filler. So we're going to use this beautiful 2-ball emerald colonnade holly from Monrovia and also Cora XDR Cascade Vinca, which is just beautifully going to trail over the side of the container. This is the thriller, skipping the filler and going straight to the spiller.
I was thinking that I wasn't loving that pot very much.
But now it's great.
But now with the plants in there, now it just, oh, I love it.
Hey friends, did you love our new video today? Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any Brummer moments.